Alcohol regulation in India is a critical and a complex issue affecting public health, state revenue, and governance. Unfortunately, tragedies from spurious liquor, like the recent incident in Bihar Siwan district, where at least 20 people lost their lives after consuming illegal manufactured alcohol, highlight the need for effective laws and oversight. Such incidents occur far too frequently in states like Bihar, where prohibition laws are in place. Illegally converted industrial alcohol, often toxic, is frequently disguised as drinkable liquor and are sold widely in the black market, posing a serious threat to public health and safety. Incidents like these are too common in India as well, highlighting the urgent need for clear and effective alcohol regulations. But the question is, who have the power to regulate industrial alcohol? Is it the states or the central government? The Supreme Court recently clarified this in a landmark judgment, and I'll present the same in front of you today. Alcohol is a very complex topic managed by both states and central governments. The Constitution of India, India's main rule book, gives states the power to regulate alcohol. But it also gives the central government authority over industries. Alcohol in India is usually divided in two types: potable alcohol. This is drinkable alcohol like whiskey, wine, and other liquors. And second is the industrial alcohol. This type of alcohol is not meant for drinking. It is used in factories, medicines, and cleaning products. However, it's still made from the same base material as drinkable alcohol and can be illegally turned into something people can drink. In 1990, the Supreme Court ruled out an order that was a case between synthetics and chemicals versus state of Uttar Pradesh. In that case, court said only drinkable alcohol, which is the potable alcohol, was considered intoxicating liquor, and that states could only control these type of alcohol. The central government would control industrial alcohol because it is used in industries. This meant states could not regulate or tax industrial alcohol. However, a big issue came up. Some people were converting industrial alcohol into drinkable alcohol and selling it without any proper checks. It was causing harm to people who drank it. State wanted to stop this illegal activity and believed they should have the power to regulate industrial alcohol too. The government of Uttar Pradesh even tried to charge a fee on industrial alcohol to control its misuse. But the court struck their attempt, saying that only central government had that authority. The Supreme Court now takes a new look in the same case in 2024. Finally, the disagreement reached the Supreme Court again, and this time it went to a special panel of 9 judges led by Chief Justice Dr. Dhananjay Chandrachud. They had to answer two critical questions. First, does the term intoxicating liquors include industrial alcohol? And second, can states regulate industrial alcohol to prevent its misuse? The judges discussed this carefully, knowing their decision could impact both people's health and balance of power between states and the central governments. 8 out of 9 judges agreed that intoxicating liquors does include industrial alcohol because it can be turned into drinkable alcohol and cause harm if misused. This meant states could now regulate industrial alcohol to prevent its misuse or prevent it from being converted illegally into drinkable alcohol. The court decided that 1990 ruling in synthetics case was no longer correct, and I'll tell you why this decision matters a lot. This new decision is a big change. Now state government can have more authority to oversee industrial alcohol within their borders. This will help them prevent illegal conversion and protect public health. Now this also shows that even a long-standing rules can be revisited when the country's safety and well-being are at stake. Now the Supreme Court's decision brings more balance between state and central powers. Now this allows them to work together to regulate alcohol safely and fairly. For states, it's a win-win situation because they have now the right to control industrial alcohol, protecting people from potential dangers of illegal alcohol production. So this is something which I wanted to communicate today, and thanks for listening to me.